Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Fiesta fog light. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. The fog light housing is usually accessible from underneath the front bumper, so prepare to work in that area. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll need to remove the plastic trim or grill cover surrounding the fog light. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open any retaining clips or tabs holding it in place. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once the trim is off, you can reach behind the bumper to access the fog light assembly itself. With the assembly exposed, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its socket. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab. Avoid touching the glass of your new H11 bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the socket and twist it clockwise until it's firmly secured. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new fog light bulb, making sure it clicks into place. Carefully reattach the plastic trim or grill cover, ensuring all clips and tabs are securely engaged. Double-check that everything is snug. Turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it is working correctly before you hit the road. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.